The best natural remedies for melasma treatment that I am going to share with you in this video have been tried and tested by thousands of people over the last 20 years. And what I recommend is that you use these remedies in combination with each other. So for example, if there are 3 remedies that I recommend that you try, that you mix them all together and then apply them to your face every day for a period of at least 4 weeks before you decide whether or not they work for you. Hi, I'm a naturopathic doctor. Let's talk about the best natural remedies for melasma treatment. Melasma is a skin condition that causes brown or gray-brown patches to appear on the skin. It usually occurs on the face, but can also be found on the neck, arms, chest, and back. Melasma is more common in women than men and often occurs during pregnancy or with hormonal changes. Although melasma is harmless, it can cause distress due to its often asymmetrical and disfiguring appearance. One of the most effective natural remedies for treating melasma is aloe vera gel. This clear, odorless gel extracted from the aloe vera plant has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce redness and irritation associated with melasma. To use aloe vera gel for melasma, simply apply it topically to the affected areas twice daily. You can either use a clean finger or a cotton swab to do this. Another great natural remedy for melasma is cucumber juice. Cucumbers contain antioxidants that can help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation, both of which can contribute to the development of melasma. To use cucumber juice on your face, you can either apply it topically or use a face mask. A simple face mask made from cucumber can be done by applying a thin layer of grated cucumber to your face and letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. For topical application, simply apply the juice directly to your skin and let it absorb before putting on sunscreen or makeup. Lemon juice is another great natural remedy for melasma. The high vitamin C content of lemon juice can help brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of brown spots caused by melasma. However, lemon juice is very potent and should be diluted before applying it topically to your skin. You can do this by mixing equal parts lemon juice and water in a small bowl. Then apply the mixture to your face using a cotton ball or pad and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cold water. If you want a more intensive treatment, you can make a paste out of turmeric powder and either lemon juice or aloe vera gel. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness and irritation associated with melasma. To make the paste, combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with either 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or aloe vera gel. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cold water. While these natural remedies can be very helpful in reducing the appearance of melasma, it is important to keep in mind that results may vary from person to person and may take some time to be visible. In addition to these treatments, you can also take steps to protect your skin from the sun, such as wearing sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. You should also avoid harsh skincare products and treatments that can irritate your skin and make melasma worse. If you have melasma, don't despair. With some patience and the right treatment, you can get your skin back to looking healthy and clear. Give these natural remedies a try and see how they work for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll be happy to answer or help in any way I can. It would also help me a lot if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Doing so will help me grow and reach more people who may benefit from my content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Naturopathic doctors are trained to provide medical advice and treatment using only natural therapies. They diagnose and treat patients using a holistic approach that takes into account the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of a person's health. Naturopathic doctors are qualified to treat a wide range of health conditions and are often able to help patients achieve optimal health without the use of prescription medications or surgery.